Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. My name is Art Thomas, and I got diagnosed with ataxia in 2022. I'm here to help anyone struggling with ataxia from a person with ataxia. I hope this helps you, and I'm up for any suggestions you may have. This is a computer speaking on behalf of Art since he is having trouble talking right now due to his ataxia. In the future, Art plans on talking in other videos. He will also show you what he currently sounds like since his cerebellum damage. Balance exercises can be good for anyone in general. I even used it when I broke my femur. It can be good for older people or anyone that has disabilities or balance issues. My mother suffers from multiple sclerosis, MS, and she would benefit from balance exercises, but doesn't want to attempt to try it. Don't be like that. Balance exercises are very good for those small muscles around your hips and ankles, including your feet and core, and the stronger your core, the better balance you will have. It may take a long time for some of your balance to come back, but keep trying. Do these balance exercises every day? When I first started doing balance exercises due to ataxia, not only was I having a hard time, but I was drenched in sweat, which can be surprising because it doesn't look like I'm doing much. And I would fall all the time. Falling is terrible, and sometimes it cannot be prevented, but there's a favorable way to fall to lessen the blow and keep from really hurting yourself. In a future video, I will show you how to fall, but you must subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss that video. It's very important, and I don't want you to miss it because it's very hard to teach and learn. Balance is just as important as walking with ataxia. If anything, do balance and walking exercises at the same time. Don't do them completely separate like I did. See, not one person pointed me in the right direction for this. Hopefully this helps. I had to be very proactive in learning about ataxia because it's so rare. I didn't start doing balance exercises until I was able to walk. Don't make that mistake like I did. I was given false hope by most people I talked to. With balance exercises, I highly recommend getting a balance pad and some yoga blocks. Videos will also be coming for that. Today we are going to talk about balance exercises for beginners again. This is the second video on balance exercises, so nothing will be too crazy. I'm still working on my balance by still doing these exercises. Again, always start with these balance exercises on the ground in a clear area, and if you have someone that can help you, that would be beneficial. Just to restate from the last video, your eyes are like gauges for your body and brain, so workouts get much harder when your eyes are closed. For example, when I close my eyes to do some of the balance exercises, my body will shake because my balance is messed up. This is good and normal because signals are going to my brain trying to tell me to stay upright and not to fall. The first balance exercise are heel raises. Copy me, find a safe corner, and lift the back of your feet and your heels up using your toes. It feels like a calf exercise, which it is, but it is also helping your balance. I started with a count of 20, then 40, then 60 times. Master one set and increase the count. These will be the same exercise using the balance pad, which you will see in upcoming videos. The second balance exercise are toe raises, which are extremely hard for me. Copy me, find a safe corner, and lift your toes up using your shins and trying to balance on your heels. It feels like a shin exercise, which it is, but it is also helping your balance. I started with a count of 20, then 40, then 60 times. Master one set and increase the count. These will be the same exercise using the balance pad, which you will see in upcoming videos. The third balance exercise is trying to balance with one leg. Try and do the staggered step balance exercise first, which is the first balance video. I put a link in the description below. Copy me, find a safe corner and walls around you. Try and balance yourself on one leg. You will feel unsteady at first, but you will get better over time. I started with a count of 10, then 20, then 30, then 40 seconds, etc., and switch legs and do the same thing on that leg. Master one time and increase the time. These will be the same exercise using the balance pad, which you will see in upcoming videos. Again, always find a corner, walls around you, etc. Something that can give you support. Work your way up on the count and on time. Start low and then go higher. Remember, I'm not a doctor, just a person living with ataxia that wants to help others with ataxia. Stress that nervous system. Prove people wrong. Keep pushing forward and stay positive. You will get better, but it doesn't happen quick. Help the channel out by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and hitting that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free, and thank you.